Hello there. The weather trend is changing across the UK over the next couple of days. In fact, after just having recorded the wettest summer on record, we're likely to see the sunniest and the warmest of the weather across parts of Western Scotland and Northern Ireland. A brisk northeasterly wind driving in more cloud, but it will continue to feel humid for eastern Scotland and eastern England. But further south, we are going to see some spells of very heavy rain be moving up from the near continent, tied into this area of low pressure, and that's going to be affecting southern England and at times South Wales. So you can see the first signs of that as we go through Thursday morning, drifting its way steadily westwards, eventually brushing with South Wales as well. A brisk northeasterly wind feeding in a lot of cloud off the North Sea, but with lighter winds, sheltered western areas should continue to see some sunshine coming through. So not a bad afternoon into Western Scotland and Northern Ireland, and temperatures perhaps likely into the low 20s in one or two spots. Now, as we move out of Thursday into Friday, that area of low pressure is going to sit there, and we will see a spell of very heavy rain through the night, drifting away before yet another pulse of wet weather continues to push its way in towards dawn on Friday morning. This area of low pressure is what's known as a cut-off low, is going to continue to sit there as we head towards the weekend. So the heaviest of the rain is likely to the south, but it also means we're going to tap into some warmer air, and that means it will turn increasingly more humid with it. So there's a greater chance of seeing more sunshine on Friday across central and northern parts of England, along with Scotland and Northern Ireland. Our rain continues to sit across the Midlands perhaps and over into South Wales. Top temperatures generally around 25 or 26, and we might get 25 degrees in sheltered Western Scotland as well. Moving into Saturday, we still run the risk of a few sharper showers down towards the southwest. On the whole, a lot of fine, dry weather for many, and again, it'll feel pleasantly warm. Once again, we're likely to see those temperatures into the mid-20s and quite a humid feel with it. Now, that low pressure potentially drifts that little bit further north as we move through the second half of the weekend. So there is a risk on Sunday of taking the rain perhaps towards London, East Anglia and up towards the east of the Pennines. More cloud further north and not quite as warm perhaps on Sunday, with top temperatures generally into the low 20s. We might see 24 in East Anglia with some sunshine. Now that low will clear away and the wind direction changes to more of a northerly, so a fresher feel on Monday. On the whole, largely dry with a few scattered showers, and then that's going to lead in to a change once again. So if we look further ahead, low pressure never too far away. And with this low pressure spiralling across the country, we're going to keep that northerly feed with another low potentially moving in across southern England as well. So the overall trend looking further ahead means that we are going to stay pretty unsettled at times, and those temperatures falling away. It will feel disappointing with that northerly wind factored in. A lot of details there, all subject to change. Do keep watching the forecast for further updates.